Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Stuck in your 9 to 5, but dreaming of launching your own business? Well, what if you could start a profitable, app-based business without quitting your full-time job? In this video, we'll share 5 profitable, on-demand app ideas that you can execute alongside your daily grind. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding expert to get started. Let's dive in. Number 1. Storage and moving assistance. City dwellers often struggle with limited storage space and moving logistics. An app that connects people who need temporary storage with those offering extra space, along with integrated moving assistance, can be a game changer. Users can book storage units or moving helpers instantly, earn through booking fees and partnerships with storage facilities. Great for urban areas with high relocation rates. Number 2. Mobile car wash and detailing. People love a clean car, but they don't always have time to visit a car wash. An app that connects car owners with mobile car wash professionals brings convenience to their doorstep. Users book a wash or detailing service anytime, anywhere. Charge a service fee per booking. Partner with freelance car detailers or local businesses. 3. Pet care and walking. Pet owners often struggle to find last-minute care or walking services for their furry friends. An app that connects them with verified pet sitters, walkers, and groomers can solve this problem effortlessly. Users can book services for walks, sitting, or vet visits. Earn through commissions and subscription-based premium plans. Partner with pet businesses for additional revenue streams. 4. Laundry and dry cleaning. If you love solving everyday problems, consider an on-demand laundry and dry cleaning app. Busy professionals don't always have time to do laundry. An app that offers pickup, cleaning, and drop-off services makes life easier for them. Users schedule pickups at their convenience. Partner with laundromats and dry cleaners. Monetize through service fees and premium delivery options. 5. Home maintenance and repair. From leaky faucets to appliance repairs, people need quick and reliable service providers. An app that connects them with vetted professionals for home maintenance can be a lifesaver. Offer instant booking for electricians, plumbers, and handymen. Charge a commission per booking. Build a trusted network of professionals. There you have it. 5 unique and profitable app ideas that you can start without quitting your job. If you're serious about launching your own app, book a free consultation with Quickworks using the link in description and get started quickly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business ideas. See you in the next video.